In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Burnout Paradise Remastered. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the save and press in Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Open this Criterion game Burnout Paradise Remastered. Open save. Before dropping this 100% save, you need to back up your game progress. Create a new folder called backup. Try and drop this game progress inside. Try and drop the 100% save in this location and start the game. Paradise cars. You can choose whatever car you like to play with. And the 100% save file is working. 100% completed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.